The Caterpillar will soon move out of the land of Lincoln. Hi there, this is Gabby with Nex-Gen Real Estate and Property Management, serving Chicagoland in selling, buying, and managing properties. And if you enjoy content like this, please let me know by subscribing and hitting that like button. As always, you can find a link below to schedule a free consultation with me. Today, I will discuss Caterpillar's shocking decision. Caterpillar Inc. on June 14th, 2022, press release announced that it will move its global headquarters from Deerfield, Illinois to Irving, Texas, starting this year. Caterpillar has had a presence in Texas since the 1960s across several areas of the company. Amidst its move, Illinois remains the largest concentration of Caterpillar employees anywhere in the world. So let's get down to business. Let's first explore Caterpillar Inc. and its significant role in Illinois. Caterpillar Inc. is the world's leading manufacturer of construction and mining equipment, off-highway diesel and natural gas engines, industrial gas turbines. It is a manufacturing bellwether and one of the 30 companies whose stock prices influence the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Caterpillar does business on every continent, principally operating through three primary segments: construction industries, resource industries and energy and transportation, and providing financial and related services through their financial products segments. In 2021, they earned sales and revenue of $51 billion. As Caterpillar grew strength to strength year by year, it also became a pride of the Illinois manufacturing industry. Caterpillar Inc. has called Illinois its home for nearly a century. The company was based in Peoria for many decades before moving its headquarters to Deerfield, a Chicago suburb, and that happened in 2018. This manufacturer is an icon in Illinois, with not only the Deerfield headquarters, but also a massive facility in Peoria that hosts a museum of the company's 97-year history. Caterpillar Inc. said that they value their deep roots in central Illinois, and Peoria will continue to be our hometown. The vast majority of their people will remain in the important regions that they have many essential facilities and functions. In particular, 17,400 Illinoisans work for the company in East Peoria, Mapleton, Mossville, Pontiac, and Decatur. The signs were already there in the past. The Caterpillar may leave the land of Lincoln. Former Caterpillar CEO Doug Oberhelman warned Illinois leaders in 2012. Despite the fact that we have announced plans for dozens of new factories in the last few years and that our workforce in the United States has increased by more than 14,500 people in the last 10 years, we have not opened a new factory in Illinois in decades. Our workforce in Illinois today is at the same level it was 10 years ago. He also said, in short, when Caterpillar and most other companies look to locate a new factory in the United States, Illinois is not in the running for such a project. It does not have to be that way. His main complaints were the budget deficits, high workers' comp costs, and severe tax burdens. And since 2012, Illinois has suffered from higher taxes and inflated spending, including the nation's highest pension debt at $313 billion. So you may be wondering, why is Caterpillar moving its headquarters to Irving, Texas? Caterpillar SEO said that them moving to Irving, Texas is the best strategic interest of the company. They want to have profitable growth as they help their customers build a better, more sustainable world. Business analysts and real estate experts concur that Caterpillar's move is part of a greater shift of employment out of Illinois to more business-friendly states such as Texas. Matt Arnold, an equity analyst at Edward Jones, said, Illinois has been losing employers based on taxation and regulations that aren't necessarily the most friendly to businesses. The total cost of living in suburban Deerfield, Illinois is 26% higher than in Irving, Texas. For example, Illinois commuters are paying the 5th highest gas price in the nation. Meanwhile, Texas is becoming a global headquarters state of several different industries, notably 54 Fortune 500 companies. Recently, Tesla, ExxonMobil, McKesson, AT&T, and Energy Transfer moved here, and Irving bills itself as the headquarters of the headquarters city. Companies are attracted to Texas' lower crime, lower real estate prices, lower labor costs, less stringent regulations, wider talent pool, and lack of personal and corporate income taxes. Beth Bauman, president and SEO of Irving Las Colinas Chamber of Commerce and Irving Economic Development Partnership, said that they will make sure Caterpillar, their entire team within their global headquarters, knows that they are coming into community and wants them to look forward to integrating with them. Governor Greg Abbott applauds the move to Irving as a testament to the boundless opportunity Texas has to offer. He said, "We champion a world-class economic environment fueled by the lowest business operating costs in the nation, a reasonable regulatory environment, and a lower cost of living coupled with an exceptional quality of life." But Caterpillar moving its headquarters to Irving, Texas doesn't mean it will leave Illinois entirely. It will still bolster the Illinois economy. Here's how. Caterpillar will be still a manufacturing industry in Illinois. It has offices and manufacturing locations throughout Illinois, including an office here in Chicago. Caterpillar's commitment to this Midwest state is still strong, especially since Peoria is the largest employment center of Caterpillar in the entire world. The company maintains a research and development campus near Peoria, as well as a foundry and a logistics center, amongst many other facilities. And for job seekers, this spring is an opportunity time to join Caterpillar. They have a walk-in Wednesdays hiring system where they just ask people to come in with their resumes on Wednesdays, and if you're qualified, you can get hired on the spot. Caterpillar leaving its Deerfield headquarters for Irving, Texas is unfortunate, but it's not the end of the line. The global company is committed to supporting Illinois people and the economy in the communities here. And it's also an opportunity for Illinois lawmakers to start creating a more business-friendly environment to compete with states just like Texas. But what do you think about Caterpillar moving to Texas? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, where's your future?